Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by redeeming the Apple gift card to your Apple ID so funds are available for purchases. Open the App Store, tap your profile, choose Redeem Gift Card or Code, and enter the code carefully. Once done, confirm the Apple ID region matches the country tied to your Pubg account because mismatched regions block in-app purchases. Make sure your device has the latest system and Pubg app updates so the store and purchase flow work without unexpected errors. You now convert Apple balance into UC inside Pubg. Launch Pubg, open the shop, and pick the UC bundle you want. Larger bundles give better value, so consider that. Tap Buy, and when the App Store purchase sheet appears, select your Apple ID balance as the payment method. If it doesn't appear, tap Payment Options and prioritize Apple Balance. Confirm the purchase with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Wait for the transaction to complete, and for UC to you finish by verifying the UC landed in your Pubg inventory. If it shows pending, force close and reopen the game, then check again. If UC doesn't arrive, review your Apple purchase history and screenshot the receipt. This proves payment. Make sure to include order ID and time when contacting Pubg support. They can credit missing UC. If the App Store charged incorrectly or balance didn't deduct, contact Apple support with the receipt. Keep patience. Refunds and credits can take a few business days to resolve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.